Welcome to the world's first virtual olive oil tour and tasting kit, created by Global Gardens, a Santa Barbara, California food company inspiring worldly flavors. Our estate olives are certified organic and taken immediately to a stone mill after hand harvesting, resulting in one of Southern California's most award-winning certified organic, first cold pressing extra virgin olive oils. The olives get washed, crushed on granite stones, then sent through a series of mixers and centrifuges, becoming pure liquid gold. Our 3-acre Global Gardens Experience Store is at a really cool farm stand we built in Los Olivos, California. Organic olive oils are hand-harvested, and our entire artisanal product line is made from family recipes in Santa Barbara wine country. This is foodie paradise for sure, with lots of taste from our farm right inside this tasting kit. Now open your Global Gardens virtual tour and tasting kit. Remove your tasting bottles. Aren't they cute? The bottom of the tasting palette has your very own personal promo code to use on our website for a $10 gift certificate. And notice the numbers 1 through 12 on your tasting palette. Let's taste. Use a piece of fresh bread or a tasting spoon. Your goal is to get a generous sampling of oil on the very back of your palate, building from the fruitiest to the most robust, and tasting in order from 1 through 12. Number 1 is certified organic California Estate Arbequina, super lush and fruity, and a perfect match for baking desserts, especially my pecan pie recipe on our website. It's even great for frying eggs. All of our oils are fresh and current harvest. Number 2 is Koroneiki from the island of Crete. I was raised on this olive oil, and it is prized by beauty queens globally. I use it on my skin daily, and for cooking too, even deep frying. Did you know that real extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point of almost 400 degrees? Number 3 is California Certified Organic Mission. And don't let that color fool you. This is a super dynamic, award-winning extra virgin. The color actually comes from the olive seed itself and has nothing to do with freshness or flavor. A tingly peppery dance at the back of your throat denotes the real freshness. Our Santa Ynez Italian varietal blend is number 4 and has the terroir of a mild pink peppercorn because of the peppercorn trees surrounding our Santa Ynez Valley. This is a must-have California olive oil for salads, dipping, and finishing. Compare number 5 to number 2. They are the same varietal, except this Koroneiki is from our own first planting, an original certified organic grove in Los Alamos, California. A gold medal winner at the Los Angeles County Fair, the terroir is sage, coming from the La Purísima foothills surrounding this entire region. Number 6 is Lisbon Lemon Olive Oil. A fruity, organic black mission olive is crushed on the mill simultaneously with fresh lemon rinds, perfect for grilling anything with sea salt, roasting lemon chicken in the oven, or seafood too, and baking desserts. Number 7 is created the same way as number 6, but this time with blood orange rinds. Imagine your favorite stir-fry, phyllo recipe, cakes and sautés made with this sumptuous perfection. Now, let's try a few Global Gardens balsamic vinegars. You can cook directly in a cast iron skillet with our fruit balsamics, no oil. We don't add sugar either. Number 8 is apple ginger golden balsamic. Use this for the Ginger Mania tofu recipe in our cookbook, or any Asian-style stir-fry, slaw, cold noodle salad, or even a seafood dish. Number 9, apricot golden balsamic, is popular for marinating chicken or any meat, and makes the perfect ceviche too. Try making rice with any of our vinegars, replacing about 1/2 of the water. Number 10 is our blood orange dark balsamic. Citrusy skirt steak is a real people pleaser with dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. Any of our 20+ fruit vinegars will easily replace lemon in recipes. They're great for fruit salads or even standalone salad dressings. Number 11 is Meyer Lemon Balsamic Bliss. And no, those little green floaters in there are not a mistake. That's fresh farmer's market, Italian basil, coriander, nutmeg, and celery seed, creating a flavor explosion for pastas, salads, and the chicken utopia in my cookbook. Number 12 is our tasting room favorite, California Fig Dark Balsamic. You can make incredible gourmet glazes for meats, seafood, and veggie dishes by boiling any of our vinegars to a 50% reduction. Terrific for meats, seafood, and desserts too. Congratulations! Now you're the expert. Check out Olive Oil and Vinegar for Life for over 100 original recipes, nutritional information, and interesting facts. Written by me, Theo Steffen, owner of Global Gardens. Now, join the olive revolution and get a 20% discount every time you shop online or in-store, with free shipping on orders over $50, an exclusive club member benefit. But wait, there's more! Use your personal promo code now to save $10 when you join the club or purchase individual items.